M0FXB, we're going to do a quick talk on this AMBE server. I've never used one. I spoke to someone who has used one. So it's a self-contained unit. It does need setting up, but basically you plug it to your router at home, and then you use your public IP address and a port number to set it up. And then when you're out and about with your Android phone, you can download this app here. I'll put the link in the description, AMBE server, where you go into the settings and you can configure all the settings. So for example, you could be on your network radio like say your T320. You could be on something like that. You'd have the Blue DV software on there, and you can and then you can talk to D-Star, DMR, Fusion, and possibly some other things. So I think if you enjoy using your network radios, or already have one, I think it's a useful addition. So there's the app you download. I'll show you it on my phone here. It's not very clear, but I will show you how the setup. Now there is a setup process to this. Now I found this file a link on Martin Lynch's websites there. So here I'll put that link in the description as well. There's a few more links here as well, so I'll put the whole link in, because you've got the Blue DV, you've got a few other bits that will probably come in useful. And looking at this, they've even got apps Apple, so possibly it works on an Apple phone as well. Right, so we'll just quickly show you on my phone here, and then we'll end the video. M0FXB, one sec. So if we look at my phone, we just go into, we've got the app downloaded, it's an Android phone. We'll click setup, and then what you do is you get this window here, and so you put your call in, DMR ID, and keep going down, and then look, you've got a frequency you can use as well. I'm not sure how that works, because I'm not familiar, because the guy I spoke to was using his Android phone. But anyway, there's a frequency there. But eventually you get down to the bottom. You're setting up all the DMR stuff here, and you get the AMBE server IP. Now here, you can either have a local IP in your home, or you could have your public IP from your broadband router, and you could be sat in your car, and you could connect using that. But as long as you set up the AMBE server on port 2460, which you might have to configure the port on your router. I know it sounds a bit messy, but it seems like once it's all configured, that it will be good fun. So 7.3, hope this helps. Something else to play with. M0FXB clear, 7.3.